What are we going to use in the demonstration? Army disposable electronic hysteroscope, pressure infusion bag, 500 milliliters, 500 milliliters saline bag, infusion tube. Step 1. Place the saline bag or other container inside the pressure infusion bag. Step 2. Hang the bag from a rigid hook or pole. Step 3. Open the package and take the infusion tube out. Remove the needle of the infusion tube. Close the flow regulator. And then connect the pressure infusion bag and the hysteroscope fluid inlet channel via the infusion tube. Insert the spike into the saline bag. Make sure the gauge value is 0. Keep the valve on the inflation position. This is the inflation position, the pressure maintaining position, and the exhaust position. And squeeze the bulb to inflate the pressure infusion bag. Keep the valve on the inflation position and squeeze the bulb to inflate the pressure infusion bag. Step 5. Determine the pressure value by the attached pressure gauge. Step 6. Rotate the valve upside to lock the pressure once the proper pressure is reached. If it is off in any direction, it could actually cause the pressure to leak out of the bag. Step 7. Open the flow regulator to allow the distension medium to be infused into the uterine cavity. Step 8. After the surgery, close the flow regulator and rotate the valve downwards to deflate. The gas in the pressure infusion bag will be expelled and the pressure display indicates 0. Remove the infusion tube and extension tube and deal them with other medical waste.